telling you something. Fully Gaza, yeah, you see it? Ambitious. Yeah.
Go on, you go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, you star. Only put pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. No need no girl for turn to no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far.
Welcome Success family, my enlightened keepers of Øwayne Media alongside our new arrivals to the channel. Vybz Kartel is not just one of Jamaica's most iconic musicians, he's also one of the richest individuals in the country, with wealth extends far beyond just dancehall music. Kartel wealth came into full view when it was revealed that he spent over 100 million Jamaican dollars simply to appear before the Privy Council for his appeal case. And remember, Kartel was already paying millions for years of fighting his case. So today we're going to take a look at the 5 most expensive things Vybz Kartel currently owns. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. First on the list is Vybz Kartel impressive car collection. Kartel owns a BMW X6 M50i, a high performance SUV that he purchased while he was still incarcerated. When Vybz Kartel was released, it became his go-to vehicle. The M50i model has a powerful engine and a sports tune suspension, which makes it stand out as a fast SUV. Now in the US, this car is priced at around $86,000, but in Jamaica, where import costs make everything pricier, it's valued between 13 to 15 million Jamaican dollars, approximately 90 to 100,000 US. Recently, Vybz Kartel added a 2023 Porsche Cayenne E hybrid to his collection, a car worth 33 million Jamaican dollars, 200,000 US in Jamaica. Although it retails for around 85,000 in the US, things are more costly in Jamaica. People got excited when Kartel was driving out his new Porsche, only artist to ever drive out a new vehicle and get that reception from the fans.
It's so crazy. Yeah, man,
Kartel also owns a Toyota Prado valued at 12 million Jamaican dollars, 75,000 US. So altogether, Vybz Kartel fleet is valued at around 57 million Jamaican dollars, around 365,000 US. Now Vybz Kartel is able to step out of prison and immediately make such a high-end purchase is a proof that success requires not only belief but relentless hard work. So Kartel owns the road right now because everything he does is a celebration. The man is a hero in his own country. So the youths them continue work hard and what it will pay off. Alright, so next up is Vybz Kartel impressive real estate portfolio. Kartel owns multiple million-dollar properties across Jamaica, both residential and commercial. Take a look. This is Vybz Kartel Adija Estate with the slogan "From Dream to Reality." Kartel real estate holdings are estimated at 600 million Jamaican dollars, around 3 million US dollars, and that's not all. Kartel is continually expanding its empire. Take a look at this. This is one of Vybz Kartel Airbnb in Ocho Rios, hosted by his fiancée Sidem. This is Vybz Kartel Grand Plan. This is a multi-million-dollar estate that is still under construction, and the wall alone around the property has already cost 50 million Jamaican dollars. Kartel is smartly investing in both Jamaica and St. Vincent, where he recently bought land.
Yeah. You see those people build already, so you still have a view.
Down there, sir?
Yes, because you see them already gone up, so you won't be compromised.
Yeah, I understand. So it's that right there, sir?
Right here.
Down there, sir. Nice. Alright, Jaja. So now, sir?
After meeting with St. Vincent Prime Minister and doctors to discuss his health, Kartel is currently living in one of his luxury homes with Sidem, and his properties in developing areas are prime for high returns. Of course, we can't forget the homes he purchased for his mother Teresa Palmer and other relatives. Alright, so moving on to Vybz Kartel luxury jewelry collection. Vybz Kartel jewelry collection is valued at 19 million Jamaican dollars, 120,000 US. So while still in prison, Kartel bought a 36mm date just Rolex. Rolex watches are known for retaining their value, similar to how iPhone hold up even years after release. I know iPhone and Rolex are not the same, but for some people who do not know that Rolex is like the stock market, prices may go up or down. So Kartel Rolex costs around 4 million Jamaican dollars, 30,000 US dollars, and recently Kartel added more to his collection. Take a look.
Yeah, I know, see a girl just tell me about a little bad man, hungry belly boy, we talk about my jewelry for you. Kartel. I represent this art well. 40 and toast upon the wrist.
Okay.
So Kartel bought a fully iced out Cartier watch, a matching bracelet, and a Cuban link chain from Artwell and Co. The entire set cost him 13.4 million Jamaican dollars, 85,000 US, with the Cartier watch and bracelet priced at $45,000 and the Cuban link chain alone cost $40,000. So Vybz Kartel owns an iced out ring, another purchase he made while he was incarcerated. So some fans and myself feel like Kartel should go even bigger. Kartel should buy a Gaza Nation chain or a huge Cuban link engraved with World Boss to match, or to just beat the competition. Because when you look at Skilly Bang, Massacre and Popcorn right now, Vybz Kartel purchase from Artwell is just a starter kit. Lego me t-shirt. So big up the World Boss. Alright, so moving on. One of Vybz Kartel's most valuable assets is his extensive music catalog. Vybz Kartel music catalog valued over 1 billion Jamaican dollars, approximately 6 million US dollars. Kartel catalog is an incredible asset, especially since he owns most of the masters to his songs. This means that Vybz Kartel collects the lion's shares of royalties whenever his music is played. His hit single Fever going gold only added to the value of his catalog, and Vybz Kartel also earns millions from licensing his music for TV shows, video games and festivals. That's not just a cultural legacy but a financial income stream for Vybz Kartel that will continue to pay dividends for years. Kartel kids are set for the rest of their life, and his grandkids too, right? The man create generational wealth. Alright, so last but not least, finally we touch the number 5. So Vybz Kartel entrepreneurial ventures continue to expand. Before Vybz Kartel incarceration, Kartel had his hand in several businesses, from liquor, clothing to soaps and shoes. Vybz Kartel imprisonment put a halt to many of those ventures, but now Vybz Kartel is back on the street. Vybz Kartel is back with Fire Vybz Grabber, a product available island-wide and internationally. And for all the street vibes rum lovers out there, Vybz Kartel will be relaunching the street vibes rum. You know, the fan favorite street vibes rum from them time there, right? With better taste, and fans who love the original will love to see the rum back on the market. Alright, so that's the video for today. Leave your comments and let me know what you guys think. Also, let me know if I'm missing anything or if I should do a part 2 or so on. And also, all the numbers that all the calculations, somebody just add up everything and tell me how much is everything, like the real estate, the jewelry, the cars. Just let me know in the comment section.
Telling you something. Fully Gaza, yeah, you see it? Ambitious. God and time, do it down.
Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out. Remember, share the video to your mother, your uncle, your sister, your auntie, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your grandmother, your grandfather, your niece. Just share the video, alright? Boom.